What's up, everybody? Chef Nigel again. What's cooking? What's in your plate? Today we are on our way to Brown Mountain Truck Trail. Testing out my new helmet, and as you can see, it's designed by Dustin Klein himself. Oh, it's nice to see the Rose Bowl finally open again. So we're officially here. However, there's a fort over there. I'm trying to decide which way to go. Oh no, it looks like going that way, I think. Looks promising. I don't know where the fuck I'm going, but sounds good to me. Lots of dragonflies everywhere. Beauty. Oh baby. Am I ready for this? Absolutely not. But you know what? Fun time. It's not that kind of situation, as you can see. Wrong bike for this one, but we'll see how far we can go. It's literally hike a bike. Here we go. Let's see where we can take this one. Not that kind of trail for me. Alright, unfortunately we are not able to go further. Hey! You know, I've been here before on an actual hike, but this is hike a bike. There's just no way. Fucking A. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Theme today, nothing works out as planned. Hello, how you doing? I'm great. All right, I would say this is a great spot for our coffee shenanigans. Hey, listen, I ain't gonna lie, I need to take a mean ass piss, but the question is where. Where we are exactly, I do not know. Okay, back on the main road. We're heading to my cousin's house now. In case y'all wondering what I'm jamming on right now, I got Disclosure playing right now. Lasts like almost a week. You just conserve it, refrigerate it.
Do you have to cover it?
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah.